Today we're at a job in Newport. We see this all the time. The water's coming out between the shower door and the stone, running down on the ground and affecting the door jamb. So this is all wet. It's going to need to be torn out and cleaned and dried. Same thing over here on the other side of the shower. The water is getting out. There's a little tiny crack in between the dam and the wall. So the water gets out and is running down, affecting this baseboard. They thought they were going to need to tear out the whole shower and the shower pan, because that's what the plumber was telling them. But I put the toilet paper down there in the corner, and when I come in here and I throw water at the corner, and the water is making its way out through the glass where the glass meets the tile and getting the paper all wet. So instead of them spending 15 to 20 grand to tear out and rebuild a shower, it's going to cost them a fraction of that. So we're going to set up our equipment in here inside the bathtub to keep it out of their way, and we're going to dry and clean both these areas after we take out the affected building materials.